Hey YouTubers, if you changed the oil or completed other service in your Mercedes vehicle, you will need to reset service indicator. This procedure is the same for the following Mercedes Benz models 117, 156, 166, 172, 205, 218, 231, 242, and 246. So, to start, make sure the engine hood, doors, and trunk are closed. Turn transmitter key in the electronic ignition lock control unit to position 1 by pressing start-stop button quickly once. Make sure you have a trip menu item in multifunctional display selected. Press and hold down the phone button on steering wheel and then within 1 second press OK button and hold both for approximately 5 seconds. Using arrow buttons, scroll to Assist Plus and press OK button. Switch on ignition to activate Assist Plus. Select Full Service and press OK. Scroll to Confirm Service and press OK button. And then press Yes. Select Confirm and press OK. That is all what you have to do to reset the service indicator. Have a good day and safe driving. Cheers!